Hello everyone. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter construction. Okay. In previous class we discussed about the construction of triangles. In previous class we discussed about the construction of triangles, and in that class we also discussed the construction of an equilateral triangle, and also we discussed about the construction of a triangle when its base, some of the other two sides and one base angle are given. We also discuss about that topic in previous class. Dear student, today we discuss about the last topic of that chapter, which is construction of triangle when its base, difference of the other two sides and one base angle are given. This is the last topic of that chapter. So dear student, today we complete that chapter construction. Okay, so let's see the last topic of that chapter as construction of a triangle. Construction of a triangle when its base when its base, difference of the other two sides, difference of the other two sides. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the construction of a triangle when its base, difference of the other two sides and one base angle is given. Dear students, this is the last topic of your chapter construction. This is very important topic. Okay, so please be concentrate at this topic. Let's see. Dear student, when we construct of a triangle, when its base, the difference between the other two sides and one base angle are given, we follows the some basic concept. As let's see. First of all, in order to construct a triangle when its base and difference of between the two sides and one base angle given, then first of all we draw the base of the given triangle. Suppose that we draw AB be the base of the given triangle, and the length of its base is always given in your question. So dear student, first of all we draw the base of the given triangle which we construct according in our question, and always the length of its base is to be given. Now, so in step first we draw the line segment AB which is given in our question. Now in second step, dear student, in step 2 we draw an angle BAX. Suppose the AX be a ray and we construct an angle BAX, that is angle A. This is your base angle. This is your one base angle which is given in our question. So in first step, first of all we draw the length of its base which is given in our question. So in first step we take as length, we draw a base AB which is given. Okay, now after that we construct an angle BAX. We draw a ray AX and construct an angle BAX. So here A be your base angle, one base angle, and one base angle is also given in your question. Okay, now in third step we now what we do? Yes, In third step, in step third, suppose that AB minus AC is given as what? Sum AC minus BC, or which AC minus BC, AC and BC. AC minus BC is given be any value A, means the difference between the other two sides. One side AB is to be clear, that is base, and the other two remaining two sides are AC minus BC na. So AC minus BC, so from the AX cut an arc, suppose that cut an arc AD on AX and cut an arc AD, and the length of AD is equal to what? K, and K is what? The sum of the difference of the other two sides. So we take AS center and distance equal to the difference between the other two sides, which is given in our question. Cut an arc which cuts the line segment AX at point D. Okay, now after that, in next step, in step fourth, in that step we join BD. In fourth step, what we do? We join BD. Now after that, we draw the perpendicular bisector of BD. And you know that very well. In that chapter, in first topic, in previous classes, we also discussed about what is the process to construct the perpendicular bisector of any line segment. So suppose that BD is your line segment. Suppose that here BD is your line segment, and you know that very well, the angle bisector, so the perpendicular bisector of any line segment, first of all we take as B as a radius, B as center, and distance equal to more than half of BD. We cut the arcs on both sides of the line segment BD. Suppose that we take B as center and distance equal to half of more than half of BD. So we cut two arcs in this way. Now at the same radius, now taking D as center, now we cut the other two arcs in that way. Now dear students, we join that two point of intersection of two arcs and produce some distance. Let's see, we join these two and produce to some distance. Suppose that intersect at any point on the ray AX. We intersect that point, suppose that C. Now finally, in last step 5, we join BC. This is the, now here triangle ABC is your required triangle. Okay, this is our required triangle. Okay, now let's see once more time. Dear students, in that topic, which topic? When its base and the difference between the other two sides and one base angle are given. In that condition, first of all, we draw the length of its base. Which is given in our question. After that, we construct an angle BAX, that is angle A, means one base angle which is given in our question. We construct that angle. After that, now we take A as center and distance equal to the difference between two sides. We cut an arc which cuts the previous which cuts the line segment, the array AX at point D. Now after that, we join BD. Okay, after joining the line segment BD, we construct the perpendicular bisector of that side, means BD. We construct the perpendicular bisector of BD. So you know that very well, what is the process of the construction of the angle perpendicular bisector of any line segment. Okay, after that, suppose that these are the intersecting point. Now we join these intersecting point of these arcs and produce some distance which cuts the previous ray AX at some point C. At some point C. Now after that we join BC. Now this is our required triangle ABC. So this is the whole process to construct any triangle when its base, length of its base, the difference between the other two sides and one base angle are given. So this is the whole process to construct that type of triangle. Now we take a question based on that topic and construct a triangle. Let's see. Let's see your question. Your question is construct a triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC in which base AB is equal to base AB is equal to 5 centimeter, angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle A is equal to 30 degree, and AC minus BC, and AC minus BC is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So this is your question. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. Okay. Now let's see its construction. Let's see, dear students. Construct a triangle ABC in which base is AB is equal to 5. So in order to construct that type of triangle, first of all we draw its base, which is AB is equal to 5 centimeter. So in first step, we write step first. Let's see. So let its solution, and in step first we draw the length of its base, that is AB is equal to 5 centimeter. First of all we draw its base, that is AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Let's see. Suppose that here we draw the length AB is equal to 5 centimeter. First of all we draw the length of its base AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Now in next step, step 2. Now step 2, we construct this is one base angle is given, that is angle is equal to 30. This is one base angle, that is that angle. So we construct angle A is equal to 30 degree with the help of ruler and compass, and that topic is also discussed in previous class. What is the process to construct the angle of 30 degree by the help of ruler and compasses. So dear student, first of all you construct the angle BA. Suppose this is array AX. So we construct an angle BAX is equal to 30 degree, that is angle A. That is angle A is equal to 30 degree. This is your second step. Okay. So first of all, in first step we draw length of its base, that is the 5 centimeter. After that we construct an angle BAX which is equal to 30 degree, and this process we also discussed in previous classes, the how to construct an angle of 30 degree with the help of ruler and compasses. Okay. Now after that, in third step Step 3. In third step, we draw here. Let's see here the difference between the other two sides means AC minus BC is equal to 2.5 centimeter na 2.5 centimeter. So taking A as center and distance equal to 2.5 centimeter. Let's see now taking A as center and distance equal to 2.5 centimeter, that is the difference between other two sides AC minus BC is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Cut an arc on the ray AX. Okay, so in that step taking A as center and distance equal to 2.5, so we construct an arc in this way at point some D. Okay, suppose taking A as center and distance equal to 2.5 centimeter, that is this distance is the distance between the difference between the other two sides, which is 2.5 centimeter. So we cut an arc AD on the ray AX. Now in next step, step 4, join BD. That in that step join BD. So in that step join the line segment BD. Now look, now what we do, the next step of that type of construction is that now we draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment BD. Now we construct the perpendicular bisector of the line segment BD. Now let's see. Now in step 5th, we construct or we draw the perpendicular bisector. Of the line segment BD. In that step we draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment BD, and you know that very well what is the concept of, what is the process of to construct a perpendicular bisector of any line segment. This topic is also discussed in previous classes. Okay, now in that process, first of all taking B as center and distance equal to more than half of BD, we cut an arc in this way. Now taking after that, now with the same radius and distance equal to and taking D as center cuts another two arcs which cuts the previous arc and two distinct point. Let two distinct point be L and M. Now we join these point and produce to some distance. Let's see, we join these 2 point and produce to some distance. We cuts the ray AX at point C. Suppose that which cuts the ray AX at some point. Let us take that point is C. Now after line now in that step 6, perpendicular, we join the points LM and produce to C, and finally we join BC. After that, last step 7, join BC. Hence the required triangle is ABC is formed. So this is the whole process to solve that type of questions. Let's see once more time, because of this is very important topic of your syllabus. Okay, now Let's see. Dear students, in order to construct a triangle when its base, one base angle, and the difference between the other two sides is given, first of all we draw the base of the base of the triangle. In that question, AB is given, which is its base. Okay. Now after that, what we do? Now we construct an angle BAX, and that is angle A, which is given in our question. Means one base angle is also given in that type of construction. So angle BAX is given as angle 3. Okay. Now after that, taking A as center, and distance equal to the difference between the other two sides, which is given in our question. So we take the same length and cuts an arc which cuts the ray AX at point D. Okay. Now after that, we join BD. We join what? We join BD. Okay. Now what we do? After joining the line segment BD, now we draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment BD. We draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment BD. Now, if we draw the line perpendicular bisector of that side, now we join that two points and produce to some distance C, which cuts the previous ray AX at point C. Now after that, we join BC. So in this way, dear students, this ABC is our required triangle. So dear student, in this way you can construct a triangle when its base angle, its base, and the difference between two sides is also given. So this is the whole process. So dear student, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Now we take one more question based on that topic. Let's see. Your question is, construct a triangle in which BC. Construct a triangle in which base BC is given. Base BC is given what? Say 5.7 centimeter. One base angle means angle B is given 45 degree 45 degree, and the difference between other two sides, that is AB minus AC, is given by 3 centimeter. This is your question here, dear students. Here we construct a triangle ABC in which its base, here base is BC is given as 5.7. Okay, and angle B is what? 45 degree, and AB and minus AC means this is the difference between other two sides is also given. Now in order to construct that type of question, first of all we draw the length of its base now. So in first step, let's see, in first step, first of all we draw the line segment as base BC is equal to what? 5.7 centimeter. And now what we do? We draw the one base angle as 45 degree now. And dear student, you know that very well what is the process to construct an angle of 45 degree degree with the help of ruler and compasses. So first we construct an angle CB. Suppose that CB suppose that we construct in first step first we draw the line segment BC is equal to 5.7 centimeter. After that, now in second step, step 2, draw an angle CBX as 45 degree. Now in second step we construct an angle 45 degree as angle CBX, because of in second this is one base angle. Okay, after that the difference between the other two side AB minus AC is given that what 3 centimeter now. So what we do in third step, we taking B as center and distance equal to 3 centimeter. Now taking B as center and distance equal to 3 centimeter, we cut an arc AD on the ray AX. This is the process now. So in next step, taking B as center and distance equal to the difference between the other two sides of the required triangle, which is 3 centimeter. So taking B as center and distance equal to 3 centimeter. So this is this how many distance? This is 3 centimeter. Distance equal to 3 centimeter, cuts an arc BD which cuts the previous ray BX at point D. After that we join what? CD. After that we join CD. This is your next step. Now what we do? Now what we do? Now we draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD. We draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD. Now let's see. Taking C as center and distance equal to more than half of CD na, cuts two arc in this way. Okay. Now with the same radius and taking D as center, cuts the previous arc in this way. Okay. Now suppose that these are cuts to each other at two distinct points L and M respectively. Suppose that in next step we cut the previous arcs, we cut the arc at two distinct points L and M. Now we join LM and produce to some distance. Let's see. We join LM and produce to some distance, that in this way. Now suppose that this, if we produce the length LM to some distance, then suppose that it cuts the ray ABX at point C, Now after that, at point A. Now after that we join AC. Now this is our required triangle ABC. So our required triangle is what? ABC. So this is your whole construction. Okay. So let's see. First of all, we draw the length of its base. After that, we draw the one base angle as angle CBX. Suppose BX be array, and we construct the angle BCBX as 45 degree. After that, taking B as center and distance equal to the difference between the other two sides as 3 centimeter, cut an arc. Suppose that at point D, cuts on the ray AX. Now we join CD. After that we draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment as CD. Okay, and suppose that these cuts the, if we join these point and produce to some distance, suppose that it cuts the previous ray BX at point A. Now after that we join the line segment AC. So this is the whole process to construct a triangle when its base, one base angle and the difference between the other two sides of the triangle are given. Now dear students, today this chapter is to be completed and we discuss all the topic which is included in your chapter. Now in next class we revise all the topic of the chapter construction. Means we revise the construction of the perpendicular bisector of an line segment. We discuss about the bisector of an angle. We discuss about the construction of the different types of spacer types of triangle. Okay. Now first of all, dear student, you revise all the topic and you solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on each and every topic of the construction. Okay, thank you.